Hi, in this video we're going to look at inserting a Google drawing into a Google slide deck. So here's a project a class was working on in creating a comic strip with silly animals. They found these animals by searching through the web for silly animal pictures. To do that I had them insert an image, and then here they went to search, and we searched for silly animals, and they found these pictures and then inserted them. After they were done with that, we used the shapes and the callouts to put in the speech bubbles, and we used text boxes to put in the language. And we used Gloria Hallelujah as the font, but any font would really work. From there, the students wanted to put them into a slide deck, and I thought that was a great idea because they wanted to expand on the project and make a whole comic book or deck out of it, and they actually got many ideas of what to do after doing that. But it's not necessarily obvious what you need to do. So in order to get it into your slide deck, you go into File and you tell it to publish to the web. All this is okay, and then you click Publish, and it's going to ask if you're sure you want to publish a selection, and we're going to say that that's okay. Then it gives you this URL to copy. You can copy it by pressing Control-C on your keyboard, or any other way you prefer to copy text. Then you can toggle over to your Google slide deck, and we're going to put it on this slide, and so we're going to say Insert an Image. And the selection we're going to make is by URL. And here you can paste the URL that you just copied. There it is. You tell it to select, and it takes just a couple seconds, but then it'll put it into the slide deck. And we can put a title here if you want to have a title for your comic strip or whatever other drawing that you might be creating. And then it's available to share, and if the kids wanted to add more slides, they would be able to do that. Some of the kids in this class wanted to change the background theme. They had so many ideas. Anyway, a fun little project, and that is how you go about doing it. Thank you so much for watching.